So today is Tuesday, the 17th of May. This is the big day before the renovation starts. It all started on the 6th of April. So this is how long we had to wait to get it dried out. 7 days of fans and dehydrator and 94 degrees Fahrenheit, day and night, mostly 89 or something, and then it spiked up to 94 degrees. Yep, you couldn't run the AC because there were dust everywhere and it would have flown throughout the house, which it has anyway. So this is my new flooring, and this is the old. This is the dining room. Water damage. Here is the water damage in the kitchen. All done by Lowe's delivery guy, who was too stupid to turn this all the way off when he disconnected the ice maker water line, and drip, it dripped down onto the floor, into the crawl space, 2/3 into the kitchen, halfway into the living room. This is half the living room. Yeah. And Lowe's is apparently still investigating. Yep. While they urged us to contact our homeowner insurance. Well, the insurance is going after Lowe's now. And what do we get? We get nothing if they are successful. They get their money back. We get our deductible back. And we have the costs of the depreciation of the flooring, which is about 800 square feet. The whole kitchen, whole living room, whole dining room. Yep. And the cabinet here, that's gone. Drywall. You can see they have to cut off the drywall 2 feet above where the mold was. So here you go. It's 3 feet high or so, where they cut off the drywall. Okay, so I can't really cook, so I put my pots and pans into a trash bag and put it away. I made some scrambled eggs. Oh, this is my trash can. Isn't that nice? Since we don't have one anymore. So I cooked a few meals and froze them. And I will see what I do. The workers, they come at 8, they leave at 5, so that gives me some time after 5 to cook for the next day or 2 or for 3 days. I don't know. Maybe I go to Chipotle and get some fresh salad. Okay, so that was the update. I hope the renovation works out well. We have been told it will take about 2 weeks to finish the whole thing. They want to build a new cabinet. I don't know how they match it to the existing old cabinet. I have no idea, but those are the experts and they know what they are doing. So I trust them. Okay, leave a comment if you had lows damage your house as well. I saw numerous videos in this regard, especially delivery people who didn't turn off the ice maker. Spread the word. So if you get a refrigerator with no ice maker on it and they disconnect the ice maker line, the water line, make sure yourself that it's turned off properly, or cap it off like our plumber who found the leak. He capped it off. See? No water can come out of here. It's not connected anymore. So that's the safest way. And if you decide to get an ice maker again, you easily can get a new water line. And you probably have been spared all this trouble, and I'm looking forward to be able to stand here level in front of the fridge and not with 1 foot an inch deeper than here and tripping over every corner. And here it's halfway nice and then deeper, and so there is no real cooking. So I just usually I make quinoa and cook a bunch, and then I can use it cold as a salad with some cucumbers and tomatoes and vinaigrette, and I have a nice healthy quinoa salad. Or I use quinoa flakes and I cook them. They cook very fast. I cook them in chicken broth, and then I add carrots really finely minced or mushed up, cooked and mushed up, or I shred them raw when I get them out of my garden. And I add some parsley and some onions if I have time for it. The way it looks here, I skip the onion part. And then I add some eggs and I mix it all up and I fry them in the pan, and they are easily frozen, and I can take them out as I need them and can eat them with scrambled eggs in the mornings, or I add some vegetables or lettuce and I eat it at nighttime. Just heat them up a little bit in the frying pan, and I have a delicious, healthy meal. Okay, that was my update. Leave a comment if you know somebody who had water damage, or you yourself had water damage, and how that worked out for you. Thanks. Take care.